Welcome to Inside Builder channel. How to implement tools in CrewAI. This is part 9 of multi-part series video that I have been developing on CrewAI. This is video 01. This videos will be made into smaller parts and also made a part of the Medium blog. With that said, let us go into the code directly. Looking at basic tool call in CrewAI. We are going to work on a very basic tool that is going to take the arguments, the key value arguments from the user query, which is going to be in natural language, and it is going to print those arguments. That's it. Apart from that, it will also return the arguments. In case of the print args underscore tool, it will be returning the arguments also. I'll be using Grok API for this activity. Let us execute the code. The file name, the file, the script, everything will be shared with you guys in the description link below. And also you can look at the Medium blog post for a better understanding of the entire series. So here we can see that the tool has been caught all the three values, a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3, and it has printed that also. And if you scroll up, you can see that the tool input, you can see the values here. So how the tool input has been taken in by the tool. Let us go back to the code. Here we are using the decorator tool that we are seeing here in line number 12. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to use the print args tool, which is a class that we are defining using inheriting the base tool. So we are going to go here to the agent. We are going to change. We are just going to replace the tools. Okay, and we are going to again rerun this code. This is basically a very brief demo on how the tool calling happens and how the key value args or KWArgs are the inputs that goes into the tool and gets processed. So I just want you guys to understand how this works. So whether you are using the output is same, whether you are using the base tool or the tool decorator, the output is going to be same.